Good morning. Welcome to week one of business calculus. I want to go over a few things with you this morning. I'm not going to keep you very long. Each week, when you log into the course and click on the course, this is what you'll see, your home page, and I'll update it each week for your different week. But this week we have an orientation module. You can see what all we need to do under the to-do list, okay? Course orientation module, and then we have two sections of homework to do. So we have a video, instructor notes, blank notes, then homework, video, then homework again for 1.2. Then we have an information sheet that I want you to do, and then I want you to do a discussion where we introduce ourselves. But let me walk you through that. Before I start walking you through that, though, let me also bring to your attention the other aspects of this homepage. This week, you're going to have to link your Canvas account, this account right here, to My Lab and Mastering. There's a video on how to do that under the course orientation, but you literally click on My Lab and Mastering right here, and then you're going to copy and paste this code into that. You can also see that on the 24th, Wednesday the 24th at 4 p.m., we're going to have a live course orientation. You're going to need to be at a computer. It's online. You're going to be at a computer and you're going to click on this conferences tab. You don't have this tab right now. I have it grayed out, but I will add it to your course by the 24th. Okay. If you have any questions about that, just let me know. We have the syllabus tab. You can go there to view your syllabus at any time. The modules tab. This is where all of our work will be after this week. My Lab and Mastering will not be there. Under bookshelf, we have our textbook. You don't really need to use Dropout Detective. Smarter Proctoring is where we schedule our online tests, and you won't really use the Zoom tab. Let's go ahead and get into the meat of the course. We're going to click on modules. This is where all our work is done. You can see this week that we have two modules to do, course orientation module and the week one module. You're just going to click on all of this stuff. You're going to read through it and you're going to click next, okay? And then at the very end of the modules, let me click back on modules, you're going to have an orientation quiz that you want to do. Okay, but that's just the first week. This is the only week that we have a course orientation. And now let's look at week one. This is what our normal weeks are going to look like. You're going to have notes, you're going to have different videos, and then you're going to have homework. Okay, notes, videos, homework. And then at the very end, we have that student information sheet and the introduce yourself discussion. I'll go over the discussion in just a bit, but I do want to make you aware the only things that you get a grade for under your weekly gist right here would be the homework and the 1.1 homework and the 1.2 homework. And of course, we don't normally have an introduce yourself discussion, but you do get a grade for that. So anytime I give you a handout or a video or anything that teaches you, you do not get a grade for that. You only get a grade for the actual homework assignment where you're working problems. So, like 1.1 notes, let me click on that. I have this as soon as it pulls up where you can download it and print it out and it tells you a few things, but you don't have to do that. It's just there if you would like to use it. Here's some videos that you don't have to watch. You're going to need to watch them in order to do your homework, but they're there if you need them.
Hello, and
Okay, so just clicking through next again as soon as it decides to do something. We have another video, and then this is the actual homework assignment. We'll just click on 1.1 right here. We'll do that homework, and this is what we get graded for, the stuff in my math lab. That's what we get grades for. And I'll let you know each week if we have something special or something different, if it's going to be a grade. And here we have some more notes for 1.2. We have a video for 1.2. And then we do the 1.2 assignment. After that, I want you to download this student information sheet. You're just going to click that link. And you can see my computer is slowly downloading it. Once you download it, I want you to open it. And it is a Word document. Okay, once that opens up, we're going to click on Enable Editing. And you have a few options from here. You could just print it out. And if you just print it out, you would fill it out and then you would take a picture of it and upload it. You would upload it right here, okay? Or you could go ahead and fill out the information on the computer and you don't have to print it out this way. That way, when you're done filling it out, you can just hit File, Save As, save it as a file, and then upload it underneath this student information sheet. And now, once you're done with that, you'll click on Next, and we have a discussion this week. 150 words introducing yourself. I've introduced myself. You can just click on Reply. You can use mine as an example. Okay, 150 words is what I need. That's pretty much this week. Don't forget our course orientation, our live course orientation that we will be having on the 24th at 4 p.m. If you have any questions this week or any week, I just want you to know that I am here for anything that you need. Go ahead and let me know. Become familiar with my email. If you need to email me directly, you can click on this little envelope right there, and it opens up a tab for you to email me, just like that. And if you don't feel comfortable using that, you can always use the little messaging system here on Canvas. Let me know anything that you need, and I will be happy to help you.